Hi, this is Josh with Fully Lit. Today we're setting up these CCFL headlights, they're projector headlights. What I'm going to do is, when you order these online, they usually come with a halogen bulb in the projector and the high beam. Today we're actually going to put an LED in the high beam and an HID in the low beam. So when you get these, this particular truck is going to be a Ford Excursion, and most of these are H1 bulbs. I haven't really seen a lot of them with an H7 bulb in them at all. So you're just going to pull these caps off, and when you look inside, you'll see that the H1 bulbs are just pinned in. As far as the LEDs go, there's not a whole lot of LEDs on the market that actually fit in here. But today, I have one that actually does fit, and it's a Philips. These Philips LCs work really good in here. It's a nice tight fit, but they work very good. What I will do is I will show you how to wire up the, this is for the CCFL halos, and then this is going to be for the LEDs that are on the side. If you come over to this one, I already have this one set up, so I did a HID in this one. You just cut a little slit in the hole. This has the LED in it. What you have to do with these ones is you actually have to epoxy the plastic down to the metal. The clip that's in there for these H1s, the reason why I like using these is because they're very slim and they do fit in the holes, but the clip that actually holds this plastic down, it gets in the way of the fan. And if you want a nice sleek look like this, and to make it fit right, if you put the clip in there, you can take this plastic off and try to fiddle with it, but it's not going to work. It's easier and much faster if you just epoxy this plastic and push it in here and hold it down and let it dry. It's nice and sturdy, it's locked in there, and taking that these LEDs don't fail on me. I haven't had one fail yet. They'll work really good. So it comes with the driver. It's really small, and so what I do is I actually cut the wires out, and on this one I put a relay in. So I have a trigger wire going to the high beam, and I have the power wire going over to the low beam, and the yellow hooks up to the battery. So when the high beams get triggered on, when you flip the switch forward, the high beams will come on, but it'll also keep the projectors on your HIDs. So you get a little bit more light output. The ground for the LEDs is just going into ground, so I tie that into ground. So you got your blue is your low beam, so that's going to go to your HID ballast. Okay, your ballast is going to plug right into your bulb. So you're going to just zip tie these up inside the truck. The CCFL pack here, I have it just T-tacked in right here. The white wire is actually going to be T-tacked into the turn signal wire, so for the parking lights. I do have a switchback LED that's going to be going in this one, so it's going to be a white daytime running basically, and then when you hit your blinkers, it's going to be an amber. You do have to use, this is for an 01 Excursion, so all the Fords all the way up to 2007, I do have a EP27 LED relay for the flasher, so it's a lot easier just to change out the flasher than it is to put resistors and stuff in here. So it minimizes that problem real easy. So this makes it a nice plug-and-play system. So if you want to order these from me direct, I can hook everything up for you and get it all ready to go, so that way all you have to do is install them. These clips here, these are not to move around or for adjustment. This is just basically to align the headlight with the front of the truck to get it nice and flush. They should be preset. These screws here, this is going to be for your left and right, and this is going to be for your up and down. Same with over here. You're going to have your up and down and left to right. So by the time you're done, this is what the LED looks like on the inside of the housing. Nice and clean, very good for install. So if you have any questions, hit me up at fully-lit.com. You can also email me or call me direct. My phone number is on the webpage. Thank you.